My name is Doris Figueredo. I'm a student from Baking and Pastry. I recently took the class. It's a wonderful class, a wonderful experience. I learned a lot of stuff about baking, pastry, and how you can interact with restaurants and hotels and any hospitality area that you want to go. It's a wonderful fun experience. My future plan is to keep going with baking and pastry, have more classes, and have all the experience to make people happy with the sweet stuff that I can cook for them. I recommend baking and pastry classes at Manatee Technical College. They really care about you, they care about your knowledge, and they make sure after you finish your classes, you get enrolled in a job, or you can have many opportunities available for you to continue your education.